Welcome to AJ Payday Customer Service Agent position. This is a work from home position for DirecTV and Spectrum. These are telecommunication services, um, some of your top brand services, Fortune 500 companies. These will be the two companies that you will be working for. You'll earn $50 per new sign up. Okay. Your first 3 weeks after that, you'll get paid. So after you join the company, after your first 3 weeks, thereafter, you'll get paid like clockwork each and every week. Okay. There's an unlimited amount of signups you can get per day. You can get as many signups as you like. On average, you'll get 5 to 10 sales per day. That's about $250, $500 per day. Here's all you have to do in order to complete this job. Every day you'll answer incoming calls. You'll also respond to job forms. You'll submit orders. Okay. We'll teach you everything that you need to know, how to handle these calls, how to go about responding to job forms, and what you need to do to submit orders. It's really simple. A lot of people will be contacting you directly to your cell phone. We will provide you with a website, and the job forms will provide you with everything that you need. These customers will be contacting you like clockwork, looking for services. They'll be looking for cable, internet, and phone services. And so you'll have the opportunity to offer them Spectrum, the bundle deal for the $89.99. You'll also be able to offer them the DirecTV. And so, these two are two reputable companies that you'll be able to offer your customers. Again, you'll be answering incoming calls, responding to job forms, and submitting orders. Okay. Keep in mind, this is not MLM, or anything of that sort. There's no cold calling ever. So, you don't have to worry about chasing family and friends. All of the calls and customers that you will receive will be coming looking for you because they need the service. So anytime you get a new sale, you will get paid. Okay. And that's just the bottom line. If you want to be qualified for this position, simply respond to the email. You'll have to complete all the forms that's required. We will respond with your marketing tools if we feel that you are a qualified candidate. There's no experience required. Pretty much just be ready to receive the influx of calls that you'll get in. We will train you on how to market, so that way you can start receiving these calls. From there, you'll just be successful. You'll work from home and pretty much set your own hours, work any days that you'll like. There's no set schedule. You pretty much set your hours, and there's no limit to how much you can make. Thanks again. And to get started, follow these instructions.